Happy holidays from all of us at EG Construction and Allison Neighborhood.
We are at 903 Arnold Street, your brand new home in the heart of South Bozeman.
We're standing just blocks away from Montana State University, go Cats, and minutes to everything Bozeman has to offer, from downtown dining to mountain trailheads.
This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath home with over 1,675 square feet of smart, livable space. And the best part, it's move-in ready. Construction just completed.
Main floor living is easy at Allison. You'll notice the open concept anchored by this cozy gas fireplace and great natural light throughout.
The kitchen features sleek cabinetry, designer fixtures, and quartz countertops, perfect for everyday cooking and entertaining.
One of the highlights of this monarch floor plan is the main level primary suite, convenient, comfortable, and private.
Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms and great closet space. This layout really works for everyone.
Outside, the low maintenance lot and oversized 2-car garage make ownership easy, and you're just steps away from trails, golf courses, and bobcat games.
Allison Neighborhood is all about connection, to nature, to community, and to convenience. And with more homes coming online today, now's the time to get in early.
We are ready for you to pick your new build site and pick your finished package. Reach out to us today. EG Construction and Outlaw Realty are ready to welcome you home.